how to set any custom sound or song as alarm on iPhone. If you're tired of the default iPhone alarm sounds and want to wake up to your favorite song or custom sound, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. If your favorite song is on Apple Music or your purchase library, setting it as your alarm is super easy. Just open the clock app. You can simply now just tap on the alarm tab at the bottom and simply click on edit. And here, as you can see, simply tap on sound. Now from here, as you can see, these are all the default iPhone's ringtones, but we want to some of the custom sounds. So let's do that. Simply tap on tone store if you have to simply download it. Simply go to tone store if you have to simply download the sound. But if you have already downloaded the tones, simply tap on download all purchase tones. From there you'll find all the purchase tones over here as well. Once you've found that, simply tap on the sound that you want to put. For example, this is the sound that we want to put, and once you've chosen the sound, simply go back like this and tap on save, and there you have it. Now you can wake up to any song or sound you like.